soft dough, juicy filling, and a delicious golden crust. The perfect homemade pie for the whole family. Subscribe for easy homemade recipes and delicious baking. In a bowl, add the melted butter, sour cream, and egg. Mix everything well until smooth. Then add the flour and baking powder and knead a soft dough. Place the dough in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. For the filling, I use chopped meat. Add the onion, diced potatoes, butter, salt, and pepper to taste. Divide the dough into 2 parts, one larger and one smaller. Brush the top of the pie with egg wash. Sprinkle with sesame seeds. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees until golden brown. And here is the final result. A real delicious treat and beauty. Subscribe so you don't miss new recipes.